nagawa nila sa basketball natin sa Pilipinas.
So, para sa akin, Pauno, it's si ano kasi si June, yung tama si Coach Chito, like it's apples and oranges. I hated, by the way, I mean, hate is, like a relative term, Fernandez, kasi crispa ako, Coach, eh. Palagi nila, pag natalo yung crispa, yung Toyota number 10, si Fernandez, nakakainis, ang galing. So, ito yung, si Junmar kasi, like you see, 33 rebounds, makikita mo that when he's beating you, talagang bugbog, blunt force trauma.
Yeah, dominant.
Si Ramon, parang cyanide, quiet, odorless, tasteless, di mo alam na, nako, 18 points pala, saka
Wala ka na pala.
17
Yeah,
rebounds.
may 18
So,
tapos may 12 assists pa, ganun, di ba? Sobrang
Yes.
dominant din, no?
sobrang dami. He was also the better passer para sa akin. Magaling mag-ano. But it's all relative kasi nga, may mga gusto sa style ni Mon, may mga gustong style sa kay Junmar. But sa nakita natin ngayon, Coach, I'll pick your brain as a defensive coach. Kita natin sa TNT ngayon like every other team sa PBA has this dilemma. Pick your poison with Junmar Fajardo. I-double team mo, tapos sasabog yung mga outside shooter niya. You stay at home, one player, one-on-one, Junmar Fajardo, he'll probably have a field day sa under the basket. So, as a coach, when do you decide na i-double team natin si Junmar, bahala nang mag-stress yung iba? When do you make that decision, Coach? Is it case-to-case basis?
No, si Sir
Wala na,
Homer
Elmar,
nawala, no?
sige, double team na natin. Ha?
Okay.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Yep, you're there.